A man named Charles Osborne endured a hiccuping spree that lasted an unbelievable 68 years, an ordeal that began in 1922 and continued until 1990. Imagine the frustration and discomfort of hiccuping non-stop through major life events, from the Great Depression to the moon landing. Doctors tried everything, but nothing could stop the relentless spasms that plagued him day and night. Despite this, Osborne managed to lead a relatively normal life, even marrying twice and having 8 children. His story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, transforming what many consider a minor annoyance into a lifelong challenge.